front of me is Redmi Note 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to find Recorder app that's already on your device and click on it. Now use this button at the bottom to start recording. If you never used it before, make sure to tap on while using the app in the pop-up and allow in notifications one. Then recording will begin. To pause it or unpause it, use this right button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. And to end it and save it, on the middle one. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it and tap on Allow. And to manage it, use those three dots at the top right corner to check out all of those options: marks, rename or delete. You can also go back, hold it here and use all of them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!